Hello, I am Purvi Maru and I am welcoming you all to my channel Food, Health and Acupressure, where we'll be talking about food and acupressure every Monday, Wednesday and Friday in Hindi and on every Sundays in English. As this pandemic situation is increasing again, so today we'll be talking about acupressure points, foods and home remedies that will help us to strengthen our immunity system. Before that, let us know how our COVID-19 or corona and immunity are related. Why, while speaking about corona, every time everyone says that your immunity should be strong? Immunity refers to the body's ability to prevent the invasion of pathogens. An immune response is the body's defense system to fight against the antigens. So if your immunity will be strong and if the coronavirus enters your body, then this immunity system will help your body to fight against the virus and will protect your body from it. So having strong immunity is very much important. So now let us know about foods that will strengthen your immune system. First of all, you should drink lukewarm water. We should eat citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are a good source of vitamin C, which will help to build your immunity. Citrus-rich fruits include oranges, grapes, lemons, lime, grapefruit, etc. Second comes bell peppers. Bell peppers are the richest source of vitamin C. Bell peppers will help you boost your immune system and will also help to maintain healthy skin. Next comes broccoli. Broccoli is a superfood and is packed with many vitamins and minerals. It contains vitamin A, C, E, fibers and many other antioxidants. So do eat broccoli. It is one of the healthiest vegetable. Next food in our list is garlic. Garlic is found in almost every foods. Garlic has immune boosting properties and it also helps to lower blood pressure. We should also eat ginger. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties which will help you decrease any kind of inflammation. You should also eat spinach. Spinach is a good source of vitamin C and is also packed with antioxidants and beta carotene, which will help to increase the infection fighting ability of our immune system. So do eat spinach. Next comes yogurt. Yogurt is a good source of vitamin D and calcium. Vitamin D helps to regulate the immune system and is thought to boost our body's natural defense system against diseases. Next comes turmeric. We all know that turmeric is very beneficial and it has many health benefits. So do drink turmeric milk. Sunflower seeds are full of nutrients including phosphorus, magnesium, vitamin B6, vitamin E. Vitamin E is very important in regulating and maintaining our immune system. So now let us know about home remedies. So the first thing you should do after you wake up, take 1 glass of lukewarm water, add a pinch of salt and a pinch of turmeric powder to it and gargle with it. It will help you if you are having sore throat or any other problems related to throat. Second, you should daily take hot water steam. It is very important, so do it regularly. Talking about herbal tea, take 4 glasses of water, add a few leaves of Indian basil or tulsi to it. In it, add 2 inches of cinnamon, or you can also call it as dalchini. In it, add 6 to 7 black pepper or kali mirch to it. And finally, add some ginger to it. You can also add some jaggery or lemon juice for additional taste. Boil it properly and drink it daily. It is very beneficial for your health. And it will also enhance your immunity system. So do drink it daily. With this, always remember to wear mask whenever you go out. Do not go out unnecessarily. Do follow social distancing. Always take a sanitizer with you and above all do exercises, yogas, pranayam, meditation, which will help you to enhance your immunity. So now let us know about acupressure points. Before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe so that you can get this informative videos. And do share this video with others so that they can also get this informative videos. And if you want to join my WhatsApp group, then do click on the link below in the description box. So we will be discussing 2 acupressure points. Both are on the front side of our hand, on our fingers. So our first acupressure point is on our index finger. See, you can see this first joint of the index finger. On its end towards thumb is our point. See, first joint of the index finger on its end towards thumb is our point. This point is called as LU9. That means lung meridian's ninth point. And the second point is on our middle finger. On the first joint of the middle finger towards small finger is our point. See over here. Know it again. On the first joint of our middle finger towards small finger is this point. This point is called as kidney 3. So what we will do over here is, with the help of a jimmy or with the help of a pen or with the help of the backside of a pen or pencil, you can press these points like this properly. See, you need to press each point for 2 to 3 minutes properly. Okay, and then after that we'll do seed therapy over here. For that we'll take paper tape and fenugreek seeds. Paper tape you will get in any medical store. So take a piece of paper tape like this, and on it apply a single fenugreek seed on it. See, like this, and then place this tape properly on this point. See, properly. Okay, and in same way take one more paper tape, add one more fenugreek seed on it, and then place this tape on this point properly. Okay, these points are bilateral. That means you can do it on both the hands. Do this treatment daily. You will definitely feel these results. You'll definitely feel the results. And once you remove this tape, do throw it, and on next day apply new paper tape with new seeds on it. You can apply this tape you need to apply this for 8 to 10 hours daily. Thank you.